So today is August 14, 1-4. And when is your birthday?
August 15.
August 15. And that will be...
And then all my presents forever. All my chocolate cakes ever. And then my candles. And then I
You
whistle.
want chocolate cake? What's
Yeah.
your favorite chocolate cake?
And then I also have
Who gave you a present today?
Mama Gahmet,
What kind she brought for you?
the owl,
Owl? And what again?
and the Barbie horse on it, and the superhero one.
Oh yeah? So 3 or 4? 3 toys or 4 toys?
All the toys.
Yeah.
So
Thank
guys-
you. Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy. So, Mommy, car.
Barbie car. You have a car. Hello Kitty car.
No, the Barbie one.
Oh yeah?
So, I'm sad, cause I'm X. Now, they just hit me and then they
Oh my
want to
God, why
say
do you keep saying that? Okay, so what really do you want on your birthday?
on my August 15th birthday after it's my birthday and I go to sleep and then it was my birthday
And how
today.
old will you be tomorrow?
August 15th.
How old? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
How old will you be tomorrow?
And my birthday also. And bye guys.
No, how old will you be tomorrow? 3 or 4?
4.
4. You're gonna be 4 years old. Oh my God. Everybody gets ready. Do it again. Okay, bye. Oye, Nesusorrusit. Ie, si pare sassa. Ora nyt Jennery rosor. Okay. Ie, vetäytsä. Kammarne rosor. Niin, se sitten joku veritsokan Joo, ruoan. Minä puhe reppa tekemään tuudun. Ei saa nopeassa kassemman. Osarun met. Osarun Kinisow. Me varitiat se savun. Redan fangiri. Fangiri kem. Betsäkömmet yfitsin. Toiri. Poro wate. Wisem ngiri. Ika etivat kekem feriten. Sabat skot. Firatagi. I put it Wisen and Jennery parents. Iwara paron. Iwara reda tuburu. Jennery seri harukutik. Tori kerek. Ren. Hari gasa-gasa marak. Baru suruh cakngang. Ini buku men tufits. Pecakkan. Tufits pecakkan. Tori kere. Ina vete si pare. Na tora. Ina vete si pare na tora. 6:16 in the morning. Very good. Mega kurang visu. Pupunta sa Philippine or Mesa. Yeah, kasi pwede. Nakumitiri ako si pwede. Kata. Okay. Bye-bye.
So, I'm at the church. Look at this beautiful flower. I got it from here.
Kinisow po atawero. Naruasor atur. Ie si pore wese senna. Usi poe si baga surprise si. E baga pok nyafen. Nori toys and her cake.
And now, my dear friends, we are going to a nearby store. Sibaga pomarigis meri atsni fangerit seneri. Oh, and her cake. She wanted chocolate cake. Hopefully there's opening bakery at this time. Subaraku tarare chocolate cake me eots no toys. Puepoka papa. Iwe Oh, when I left home, she was still sleeping. Ngega what's it about in I'm there already.
We have placed the markers on the ground to help guide you in determining a proper distance. Mahalo for your cooperation and thank you for your patronage.
I really want this one because it's colorful. I'm getting her. Guys, I ended up buying not this one, but this one. She took it. Yeah, this is our quarter right. By the way, guys. And her cake, but I'll show you guys later. Yeah, arake strawberries. Iäitsä kesitoa sitä urietta non pasuk. Superekuttarille tois. Let's get her some sarvata.
We are leaving Walmart. I got her toy and okay. It's now 7:52 in the morning. Irai sabuburinera. Irai bakal cakakkan. Si baga marpuan. Sorry bete pue. Papa Renaro putiwari. Iwe se sepet toys. Ese rifi toys. Ikasi na kabe boga toys sagiri irai bakom. Na kato toys. Had a good day soon, so we got her a little something. How are pues arriba papa. Okay, bye.
Hi, beautiful. Hi, Jennery. It's your birthday today.
Is it here now?
Yeah, it's here. It's August 15th today. You're 4 years old. Yeah? Yeah? Are you happy? Okay, let's go. Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay, come. Close, okay? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ready? Open now.
Right? Like this? Is this a slime?
Yeah. Do you like them?
This. Yeah. I like this.
You like them?
I like Play-Dohs.
Yeah. What about this one right here?
I like that too. Can you play?
Yeah. Are you happy?
Mommy?
Papa, Papa.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. Yeah. It's Jojo Siwa.
I like Jojo
Jojo
Siwa.
Siwa. Jojo Siwa.
Is this Jojo Siwa slime?
No. It's not. Wait, does she have slime? This one too.
That's
You can bake pizza. Another slime. So you have like 1, 2, 3 slime. You have Play-Doh.
Thank you, Mommy.
Huh?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. We love you. And these are from your grandma. Right?
You get them?
Yeah. This one. You gotta learn. Yeah? Okay, what's that?
I like that. You are the best mom.
Oh, thank you, Jennery. Okay, one more. One more. You're gonna close your eyes again.
Okay.
We added a cake. These candles are from her birthday last year. She's turning 4, so 4 candles. Happy birthday to you. This is your cake. Come. We're gonna blow your candles. Wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jennery. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you, Jennery. Happy birthday to you. Okay, make a wish. Blow your candles. Blow. Go, go. Amut. Amut, amut. 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 Kira-kiri wa kabila. Okay. Kira-kiri.
Cannot.
Yeah. Ira, one more. Para. You scared of the fire? Aquí esqueleto. Mira, yay! Happy birthday! And some more goodies for you, Jennery. And you're gonna love them. Wow! You like them?
Is this lollipop?
I don't know. Can you bite? Take a bite? It's cake.
Cake?
And you got some strawberries here. Cheers, Jennery. Cheers. Ding ding.
Those can go because we can clean up. I like that.
Cutting her cake. This is your name, by the way, okay? Happy birthday, Jennery.
This is yours.
Okay. But yeah. Okay, but and wait, move this one.
That's
Yeah,
That's yours.
Other side. Like a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Triangles are awesome for kids because it's for...
So yummy. Okay, that's for you. Try. Now, Jennery, you got Miss Sari. Ian. Kuekis. Good. Okay. That's so good.
That's good. Ah, why this thing is on it? Oh, it's spinning around me. So I got all my toys. Look at my slime too.
I love
Slimy.
slime.
What is this inside?
Can I see? They are lime and maybe strawberries. Yeah. So which one is your favorite? You got some shirt, pants.
I like this one.
That one because it's bigger, I think.
I like all my toys.
Oh, that's good. This one is the bomb. Crispy.
Oh, no.
My toy. Look at my toy. I'm working.
Are you happy, Jennery?
This is a red JoJo seal.
What is that?
A bow.
Oh, yeah?
His name is JoJo seal.
Can we
You
put
don't-
that on your hair?
Wait, cause I have a... Hey, Jennery, this is your cake from your cousins, okay? Who? Jayphon, Jay, John, and Jen. Okay, make a wish again. Make a wish. One more. Excuse me. Okay. Go. I'm with. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching our videos and then down below their videos. Bye.
And this is from Halava family. Say thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
guys.
This one is from Grandma, downstairs.
Is that mine?
From Mama. This one is from J-Boy. And then the last one is from Jayphon, Jay, John, and Jen. And Auntie Laura and Uncle Tiffy. What do you say, Jennery?
Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you, guys.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Thank you guys. Down below for watching.
And comment down below.
Comment down below. And then
Thank you for watching. Oh, subscribe to our channel.
subscribe to our channel. Bye.
And thank you guys for watching our video, our mini vlog for Jennery's birthday. Kinisow REN FANITOM. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Ikakesari ke po right on. Tikila right on pati. Kapok seven. Kinisow REN FANITOM. Bye bye.